Let's learn subtraction of two fractions. 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 8. The uppermost number of the fraction is numerator. So your 5 is numerator of the fraction. And the lower number of the fraction is denominator of the fraction. So your 6 is denominator and 5 is numerator. Look at the denominator of both the fractions. They are 6 and 8. Okay, so denominators of both the fraction is different. And if you want to subtract these two fractions, their denominators should be same. Okay, so let's see how to make the denominator same. For that we need to take LCM of 6 and 8. We have to take LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of denominator. LCM of 6 and 8. Let's see how to find LCM of 6 and 8. My first number is 6 and second number is 8. Separate them with comma. Take one vertical line beside this number. Now we will divide these two numbers with one specific number. Okay, out of these two numbers, at least one of the number should be divisor of 6 or 8. And take prime number like 2, right? So we'll divide 6 by 2. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Take 2 again. 3 is not divisible by 2. So we'll take 3 as it is. Now we have to divide 4 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Take again 2. Take down 3 as it is. Now 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now we'll divide this 3 by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so we got here number 2, 2, 2 and 3. Now we need to multiply this all number to get the LCM of 6 and 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. That gives us 24. Correct? 2 into 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So the LCM of number 6 and 8 is 24. So now we are going to make the denominator as 24. So now my first fraction is 5 upon 6. Right? I want to make this denominator 24. The 6 I want to convert into 24. Why 24? Because the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay, so I need to multiply 6 with specific number. So 6, if you multiply by 4, 6 times 4 is 24. So now similarly, numerator should also be multiplied by 4. If you make any change to the denominator, the numerator also change in the same pattern. Okay, plus my next fraction is minus 3 upon 8. Right, I want to make this 8 as 24. So I need to multiply 8 by 3. Numerator should also be multiplied by 3. Now 5 times 4 is 20 and 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 3 is 24. Now both the fractions have a same denominator. So it's easy to subtract. Subtract the numerator, that is 20 minus 9. And keep the same denominator, that is 24. 20 minus 9 is 11 upon 24. So this way we subtract two fractions when they have a different denominator.